'cause it lets the light in.
A child abduction alert has been issued in Milwaukee for the following child: Anthony L. Crudup Jr., age 3 months, male, black, 2 feet, 2 inches, weight 12 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. The child was last seen in the 4800 block of West Marion Street and is missing from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The child was last seen wearing a 2-piece light blue and dark blue with white design sweatsuit. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be with Vonaisha A. Washington, age 15, female, black, 5 foot 2 inches, 120 pounds, red hair, and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing green shorts, pink shirt, olive jacket with a red bonnet. Vonaisha may be traveling on foot with the child. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Anthony L. Crudup Jr., please call Milwaukee Police Department at 414-935-7405.